Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 14th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar for today. What do we have here? Well, plenty of very important data scheduled for release from UK average earning index and bonus and Claimant Count Change. Both of them are scheduled for release at 8 o'clock a.m. As you can see, the forecasts are mixed, so we should see what will be the reaction of the market participants on the data provided by the statisticians. And what do we have here is core CPI. Core CPI data from the US are scheduled for release at 1:30, and the core CPI should stay in line with the expectations, 0.4%. So not too many very important events for today. Nevertheless, we got something to talk about, and there's definitely something we would like to analyze, and this is of course cable. British pound to the American dollar. So let's take a look at this pair. Let's take a look what's going on there. For our chart of the British pound to American dollar is showing us very nice rebound from this lows located at the level of 1.1802. Then we have a breakout above the moving averages, 50 and 100 moving average, and then of course we break above the highs from the 28th of the February 2023. This level of 1.2142 is now the intraday technical support as well. So please keep an eye on this level. Where is the next target for bulls? Is located at this level here, 1.2262. This is the technical resistance level, and it needs to be violated if bulls wants to think about any kind of a challenge to the yearly high located a little bit higher around the 1.2430 level. So that's the situation on the for our chart of the British pound. We have very extremely about market conditions on a 4-hour chart. We have bearish engulfing pattern made at the top of the rally at the level of 1.2198. We are approaching the highs. Nevertheless, there is some sort of the pullback needed right now after this very impressive movement to the upside. It looks like a very nice V-shaped reversal. So we got the first attempt, it failed, then we have second attempt, it failed, then we have a new low, and now we are fully blown into the upside. So that's the situation of the British pound to the American dollar. Please be very careful what kind of data will be published and how the market will react on this data. Pullback to the downside is welcome. Nevertheless, after the pullback is done, the market should continue his up move. That's the situation of the British pound. Let's take a look at the SP500. For our chart is showing us some signs of the weakness. We got this very nice technical support located at 3,763. We got the other technical support located at 3,780. So very narrow zone, and maybe one more last line for the technical support, 3,792. So very strong technical supports from the beginning of the January 2023. Then we have this movement to the upside, and then we have A, B, and C to the downside done. So it looks like the corrective movement towards the technical support had been completed. The bullish engulfing pattern was done at the end of this move. So right now, what do we have to do? Right now, in order to continue the up move, we need to break above this technical resistance. This technical resistance located at 3,922. That's one of the most important local intraday technical resistance levels. And then of course we got this high, 4,080. Both of these levels must be violated in order the ABC correction, which is of course this kind of a correction, might be completed. So we got that situation on the S&P 500, but we are still trading below 50 and 100 periods moving averages. Both of them are respectively at 3,971, 4,029 points. So despite the fact that the market on the 4-hour chart time frame is trading very, very close to the extremely oversold market conditions, so the very, very oversold market levels as well, there is no very very well defined bounce to the upside or any sort of the important impulsive movement to the upside developed. Okay, so what do we have here? Some sort of the 5 ways to the downside, some sort of the probing, testing the technical support, but without breakout of this 3,922 level, without breakout of the above this resistance, there is no chance that we will definitely confirm the termination of the ABC to the downside and start to rally. Okay, so please pay attention to the S&P 500. We might see very important developments in the coming hours. What is the gold market is doing? And the gold market is rallying. Let me just share with you daily time frame chart, because you need to see this this kind of a market behavior on a daily time frame chart. So what do we have here is a very nice defend of 1,804 technical support right now, and the local swing low. Then we have another $1,808 test. So basically we are testing the 1,800 round level, and we are testing the 100 days moving average as well. So far we bounced twice. The first time we bounced is the end of the February correction, and then is the beginning of the March. 8th and the 9th of the March, we have a very, very bullish movement to the upside. Right now we are trading above 150 days moving average. What we are approaching? We are approaching this level here, 1,959. This is very, very important technical resistance for the gold market. We got some kind of a tweezer top forming here, but this candle has not closed yet, so we need to wait for the daily candle close to judge about the candlestick patterns. So we have the Maru Bozu candle, which is very, very bullish, supported by the increasing momentum, which is now at 65 level. So it's very, very strong. The bulls are ruling in the short term on the gold market. We broke above the 1,900 already, so this level will now act as the technical support for the market, intraday technical support and the local technical support, and the bulls are aiming for the 2023 high located at 1,000. Is it 220? Yes, this is the 2023 high. 1,959 is the high of this year. It looks like it might be challenged very, very quickly. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is doing the same thing as gold, which is kind of interesting that these two markets are correlated these days. We have this technical resistance here, waiting for bulls to test it, waiting for bulls to basically hit this level and tell us what they think about the level of 25,250 25,250, yeah, 57. That's the exact swing high and the yearly high for the Bitcoin. Very impressive bullish rally. We already let me just take a look here. We already move. Where is my price range? There you go. We already moved around 27%, over 27%. We already moved from the bottom, so that's very impressive. Nice rally on the Bitcoin. We didn't hit the extremely overbought market conditions yet. This level of 70 is still 10 points away from the current level, so there is a room, and there is some sort of the momentum reserves for the bulls to at least test the $25,257 level and see whether there will be a breakout above it or not. It looks like there might be very strong breakout above this level, because that situation here, let me just briefly show you what do I mean. Where's my impulse? There you go. That situation here on the Bitcoin market looks like wave 1, then we have wave 2, and we possibly are doing wave 3 right now, and the targets are way higher for the Bitcoin these days. So please stay with me with my analysis, and I will share with you potential targets for this incoming Bitcoin rally. All we have to do is to break above 25,257, and the daily close above this level will confirm the extension to the upside in the wave number 3. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.